Make your Gammas more collaborative with the Miro integration. You can seamlessly incorporate interactive whiteboards within your presentations, documents, and websites. The Miro integration opens up exciting possibilities for various users. For innovation teams, showcase brainstorming sessions and ideation processes directly in your presentations. Transform static documentation into visual thinking canvases that stakeholders can explore during or after meetings. For project managers, enhance your project updates by embedding visual roadmaps and Kanban boards into your documents. Create comprehensive project overviews that team members can reference through interactive websites. For design thinkers, incorporate customer journey maps and empathy exercises directly in your workshop materials. Build more engaging and participatory learning experiences by combining written content with visual collaboration tools. How to add the integration. There are 2 simple ways to add Miro boards to your Gammas. Use Gammas/command, type /Miro, and paste your Miro board link or embed code. The whiteboard will instantly appear in your presentation. Use the Insert menu. Navigate to the Embed Apps and Web Pages section and find the Miro option. Drag and drop the component to your desired location, then add your board's link or embed code. Now, let's explore how to maximize this integration. Tips and tricks. Once you've inserted your Miro board, click on the Advanced option to access additional configuration settings. Here you can adjust the display settings and metadata, particularly useful when showcasing whiteboards on websites. You can also click on the display options to choose different ways to showcase your content. Embed reproduces the Miro board within your Gamma. Preview shows the link with a title and description. Button attaches the board link to a button. Link displays the regular URL. Gamma's versatility allows you to combine multiple components. For instance, you can place Miro boards alongside other content using columns, or embed them within tables and smart layouts. This flexibility gives you creative freedom to present your collaborative work in the most effective way possible. And that's how you integrate Gamma with Miro. It's quick, easy, and incredibly powerful for incorporating visual collaboration into your presentations and documents. Try it today at gamma.app and experience a new way of presenting ideas. Powered by AI.